DJ Khaled has been creating a buzz in the island. Over the weekend, the music mogul flooded the internet with photos and videos as he teased top Jamaican acts featured on his upcoming album Khaled Khaled. Jamaican top reggae and dancehall stars like Buju Banton, Capleton, Bounty Kill and Coffee were all seen with DJ Khaled. For an extra treat, Khaled posted this video yesterday, vibing with Coffee, and captioned it, quote, "Let the music set you free, positive vibes," end quote. Now in this frozen moment from a video shoot, an ecstatic Khaled said, quote, "History, legendary. Khaled Khaled is in Jamrock," end quote, adding that he never forgets where he's from and that he is working on something very special. In this heartwarming video, Khaled can be seen paying his respect to the reggae legend Barrington Levy.
Listen, legendary Barrington Levy.
DJ Khaled, I mean.
Legendary. Legendary Barrington Levy. Listen, legendary.
He's the biggest legend right now.
Legendary Barrington Levy. Legendary. Listen, Barrington Levy, Bounty, Buju, Fireman, they don't just come out. They don't come out for anybody.
Khaled also flew in some international acts, including multi-award winning R&B star Her and rap group The Migos. Over on Her's page, she shared this video walking on the beach where Khaled can be heard teasing Her's vocals.
How was the flight?
Flight was smooth. I got here safe.
Vocals sound amazing. Vocals with S.
Migos were spotted with Drake's OVO artist Popcorn, which many speculate speaks volume to the collab and efforts of Drake on Khaled's album. Khaled yesterday posted that the album was 98.1% complete. Interestingly, he has managed to showcase many pictures and videos without revealing any of the tracks from the Jamaican artists, nor has any music been leaked from the Migos, Her, Lil Baby, Roddy Ricch, Nas, Post Malone, just some of the acts seen with Khaled in preparation for the release of this new album. So far, only 2 singles, Popstar and the leaked Grease featuring Drake, have been released. DJ Khaled first announced the title of his upcoming 12th studio album in July last year. In making the announcement, he shared a trailer with special moments from his life and career, including the birth of his sons to winning his first Grammy. And in the US, DMX's family is speaking out to clear up rumors about the artist's memorial service and master recordings. In a statement released on Monday, the family warned scammers attempting to raise money for his upcoming memorial and reiterated that the rapper's masters are not up for sale. And while the family of DMX is working on details for a private and public memorial for the beloved rapper, many took to the streets over the weekend in his hometown to celebrate his legacy. The Grammy-nominated performer died last Friday after suffering catastrophic cardiac arrest after days in a coma. I'm Deidre reporting for ePrime.